Uncover the cutting-edge construction technologies transforming how we build, enhancing efficiency, sustainability, and durability to set new industry benchmarks. Vert Edge Artificial Grass Edging. Tired of messy edges around your artificial turf? Check out Vert Edge. This clever edging system creates crisp, clean borders with ease. Made from durable, weather-resistant plastic, including recycled options, these 6-inch tall pieces come in various lengths to perfectly frame any landscape. Vert Edge not only prevents infill migration, keeping your turf looking pristine, but also extends its lifespan. The simple installation process can slash labor costs by up to 30% compared to traditional methods. Built to withstand the elements for over 10 years with minimal upkeep, Vert Edge is a smart, cost-effective solution for homeowners and businesses alike. Say goodbye to ragged edges and hello to a perfectly manicured lawn. Hager Unibar H. Powering modern businesses and industries requires a robust and reliable electrical system. Enter the Hager Unibar H. This powerful electrical distribution system is engineered for efficient energy management in commercial and industrial settings. Built with durable components and advanced safety features, it guarantees consistent power distribution with minimal maintenance. The modular and customizable design of each Unibar H unit accommodates diverse voltage requirements. Its optimized design enhances energy flow, potentially cutting annual energy costs by up to 15%. With a lifespan exceeding 20 years, the Hager Unibar H represents a smart, long-term investment in energy efficiency, delivering significant cost savings for years to come. Venetian glass bricks. Imagine bathing your space in natural light while maintaining privacy and boosting energy efficiency. That's the magic of Venetian glass bricks. These stunning architectural elements, crafted from premium glass, come in a vibrant array of colors and captivating designs. Measuring 8 by 4 inches, they seamlessly integrate into any style. By transmitting light while providing insulation, these bricks can reduce your lighting energy consumption by up to 20%. With installation costs comparable to standard brickwork, they offer a durable and eco-friendly way to add a touch of elegance and lasting beauty to any modern project. It's like adding art to your walls. RoadPrinter, revolutionizing road construction. The RoadPrinter is an automated paving marvel. This cutting-edge machine can lay up to 400 meters of road per day, dramatically accelerating project timelines and slashing labor costs by approximately 40%. Utilizing precise GPS and laser-guided technology, the RoadPrinter ensures perfect alignment and consistent thickness, minimizing errors and rework. By optimizing material usage, it achieves savings of up to 20%. Roads constructed with the RoadPrinter rival traditional methods in durability and quality. While the initial investment is higher, the increased efficiency and substantial long-term savings make it a game-changing solution for large-scale infrastructure development. Lixel X1. Transform your spaces with the brilliance of Lixel X1, a state-of-the-art modular lighting system that elevates both architectural aesthetics and energy efficiency. Each Lixel X1 module features advanced LED technology with customizable designs, offering dynamic lighting solutions for any environment. This innovative system significantly reduces energy consumption by up to 50% compared to traditional lighting systems. The modular design simplifies installation and maintenance, with each module measuring approximately 1 square foot. Engineered for a lifespan of over 50,000 hours, Lixel X1 delivers long-term savings on energy bills, making it a sustainable and stylish lighting choice for modern designs. Geofoam. Need a lightweight yet incredibly strong material for your next construction project? Look no further than Geofoam. Typically made from expanded polystyrene, EPS, these versatile blocks range from small landscaping units to massive highway panels. Geofoam boasts exceptional compressive strength, capable of supporting heavy loads while effectively preventing soil erosion. Its excellent thermal insulation properties also contribute to improved energy efficiency. With a lifespan exceeding 50 years and a quick installation process, Geofoam offers potential savings of up to 30% compared to traditional fill materials. Eco-friendly and non-toxic, Geofoam is the ideal choice for environmentally sensitive projects, providing stability and sustainability. Stilum. Experience the future of building with Stilum, an innovative system that seamlessly blends architectural elegance with exceptional structural strength. Perfect for a wide range of projects, each Stilum module is customizable in size and configuration to meet diverse architectural needs. This versatility enhances design possibilities and reduces construction time by up to 30% compared to traditional techniques. Manufactured from high-strength materials, Stilum modules are engineered to resist seismic activity and boast a lifespan exceeding 100 years. Equipped with fire-resistant features and compliant with stringent building codes, Stilum offers a sustainable and resilient solution for future-ready construction. While initial costs are higher, the long-term savings in labor and maintenance make Stilum a truly intelligent investment. VOID-TEK. Introducing VOID-TEK, a groundbreaking void-forming system that's transforming concrete construction. This innovative technology strengthens structures while minimizing material usage. Each VOID-TEK unit is crafted from lightweight, recyclable materials and features a modular design for effortless installation. By optimizing concrete usage, VOID-TEK can accelerate construction timelines by up to 40% compared to conventional methods. It also enhances site safety by reducing excavation risks and boosting worker efficiency. Designed to withstand heavy loads and harsh environmental conditions, VOID-TEK is built to last over 50 years. With competitive costs and impressive sustainability credentials, VOID-TEK is an excellent choice for modern, eco-conscious construction.